What's up, Jammer Nation? You may be asking yourselves, what are them suckers getting themselves into today? Well, brother, let me tell you something. When Hulkmania comes crashing down on you, you won't be ready for what's coming, brother. Because we're going to rip this thing apart today, brother. We're going to slam some brakes in her, brother. And when we're done with that, you're going to feel the real wrath of the exhaust of the Coyote motor, brother. Are you ready? Sorry, it's been a way. All right, let's.
There's a lot of pent-up aggression there. All right, so we're gonna get to brakes today.
Brakes.
Headers.
Headers.
And that'll wrap this thing up.
That's for today. Yeah.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Right? Doesn't that look good?
Guys, check that out, bro. Check that out. That is professional. I mean, you're not gonna get that same crimp and flaring on the little jaw thing. That's freaking awesome.
That looks pretty great, doesn't it?
Yeah, I love it. Good job.
All right, so we're doing a 3/16 flare on the end of this. And when you have that bend, you know, this little fitting won't make it around the bend, so it's pretty tight there. But it's really pretty simple. Put the right die in, go to OP1, which is basically just a flat piece.
Wait. You can't let that slide?
Huh? OP1.
OP1, like the Jedi? Like the Jedi?
Nobody can see your face.
You know what I'm talking about, like the Star Wars trekker or something in the woods. He's like, must be good you are.
Obi-Wan.
Yeah, isn't that?
Not OPO.
OP1. Oh!
And there's OP1.
Ah, see?
But not OB1.
I don't want to explain it to you guys. When me and George were out in the woods and we came up with the whole plan for Star Wars, we didn't name it Obi-Wan. It was something else, so I got a little distracted. Sorry, George. Please forgive me.
And then OP2, 3/16. It's one of the orange ones. Right here. Try that one. Here we go. See, by some miracle, if I didn't booger up the threads. Maybe. I think I got lucky. Look at that little piece. Like I know what I'm doing. Alright, so you're making a little bracket for this brake line.
Correct.
And you're going to put a rib nut? Is that what your plan is?
Rib, cert, nut, whatever. Put it in there, and that'll allow this, and then we'll bolt this on this piece. You got that? We'll bolt this piece on here somehow. Yep. We'll drill it out or whatever.
Yeah.
And that allows this functionality for movement as the rear end undulates.
Yeah, and it's just mainly going up and down.
Right. Right now, Jason.
Trying to find something that Ryan lost.
All right, so here's what happened.
We wander around the garage for 20 minutes.
Here's what happened, guys, okay? So I was in the middle of doing the exhaust manifold gaskets, and someone, one of you YouTuber friends of ours, subscribers, has been texting me, asking me for help with certain things. I'm not gonna name your name, because this is all your responsibility, this is all on you. So I won't dime you out. I want to, but I won't. So I went away and texted him and responded, and I did something with the exhaust manifold gasket. No idea where it is. I'm telling you right now, don't get old and don't help people. 2 lessons. No Odo, no helpo. Where was it? Hey guys, at least it was hidden. It wasn't in the obvious
It wasn't
place.
hidden. It wasn't hidden.
I wonder, can you tell where the paint's been sitting? So we're gonna see if Jason actually did anything right.
Oh man, I'm really nervous about this.
So we're gonna fill this.
Uh-huh.
I think then we'll have to give her some pumps or something.
Yeah, maybe. Is it just pouring out somewhere?
I don't know.
Sure, he's putting a lot of stuff in there.
7, 8, 9. All right, hold it. Woo! Let it go?
No.
Nope, come on.
Now. Let go.
What do you think? We got brakes, maybe?
Well, you can definitely do brakes really good. We figured that out. You can't hold a camera to save your life.
What do you mean?
Well, you still got it down here in the bottom corner. You gotta have it up top, the top corner. Oh, you're trying to view my gut? You think I'm embarrassed about this?
No, I wasn't doing that. I was being a bad cameraman, you know.
38 years, baby. 38 years. Take it all in. Woo! 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 Go.
Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, we'll let you guys know that we are now on
TikTok.
Check us out
Looking
there.
at you, China.
Fun video there. We're also on Rumble now.
Rumble.
YouTube,
That doesn't have
Instagram,
China.
Facebook. Check us out on all those platforms. A lot of cool stuff.
What do you think, Sam?
I think you mean to not hit me in the nose is what I think. I think we got a lot accomplished.
We did.
And we do want to say thank you to Sam for
Absolutely.
coming down and helping us. Thank you to Jennifer for letting us. We all know you wanted him to leave. Come down and help us. And on that note, we'll see you next time. Jeremiah!